What's going on, good people? Welcome back to Cook It with Chris. So today, making us some lemon chicken. Let's get this started. My God, y'all missed it, but if you could see this, I just I just zested 2 lemons over into these panko breadcrumbs. Well, y'all didn't miss it. I guess I just didn't record it. And we also gonna hit these breadcrumbs with the lemon zest with a little AP seasoning. And we're gonna mix it. Now for our chicken, we're gonna get some eggs. Get some eggs over in the bowl. And I might have got a too big bowl. Alright, eggs. Alright, now for our chicken. Alright, so we got our chicken breasts, and we're gonna cut these babies in half. Turn and press on top, and work your knife through. And we're gonna season it down with none other than the M9 AP seasoning. Now we're seasoned up. We're going into our eggs, to our breadcrumb. The breadcrumb with lemon zest and thyme and some AP seasoning into our oil. Should add this butter in with the oil, but late is better than no. And we're gonna let it go about 2-3 minutes before we flip them over. Time to flip. Look like at least one of them is darkly done. Not too bad, but bad enough. And this is because I didn't add the butter in the beginning. And breadcrumbs burn easily. So it says when you're cooking with breadcrumbs, it's cooking mostly butter instead of mostly oil. But nonetheless, we're gonna let this go about 3-4 more minutes. All right, let's go ahead and remove our first round of chicken. You ain't the prettiest, but you do. So a little oil. A lot of butter. All right, let's do this. So, in with our chicken again. Let's flip these babies. Now, get our chicken out. Pretty nice golden brown color, not black and burnt. Of course, ain't nothing wrong with being black at all. Alright, so, and yes, you can do this without the breadcrumbs as well. And so this is the idea for the rest of the lemon flavor. We got some butter, garlic, our thyme, and then the lemon juice. Lemon juice right over there. And you probably see it coming now. So we're gonna go ahead and start basting our chicken in this. all that good flavor over in. But since this is not the gourmet portion and we got a lot more chicken to go over, we're gonna use the same ingredients and we're just gonna make a big batch of it to pour over top. All right, and we're just gonna pour it over top of everything. Let's make sure everything can get some. See, I was looking at it, y'all thought it was burnt. No. Y'all see that clear butter coming out of there? Flavor for all. And that's gonna be dinner. Let's make a plate. All right, so we're going on our plate first with that good old mushroom risotto. And whatever chicken you want. I'm gonna give you a picture of both of them. Get a little fancy. And I ain't feel like making no bread, so I just got this store-bought container macaroni. We're just gonna add on here as well. I don't need that much. It ain't the start of the show. Nobody care about that. And then we'll just fancy it up with a little time to go around. And that's your dinner. Whether you want it with the breadcrumbs or without. Enjoy that lemon chicken and enjoy that mushroom risotto.